In this video, let's review how you can add a parent to an existing event. So let's take for an example the Kids Zone Activity Day. There's basically two ways you can add a parent. One way is to come to this page, the Manage Events page, and click on this icon here that says Add Parent. And then that will take you to this screen here that we'll get into in just a minute. But let's go back to the Manage Event page and let's go inside the Kids Zone Activity Day to the check-in and the checkout screen. Notice here on the top right you have a blue button that says Add Parent. That's another way to get to this same page. Now, as a default, you're going to see the event that you're adding a parent to, and there's two radio buttons you see here. One is a new parent and the other one is an existing parent. A new parent is somebody who is not in the system at all, and you're basically adding them for the very first time. So for a new parent, you would type in their first name, last name, middle name if they have one. Very important and required, their primary cell phone number. You don't have to type in an email or a password if they don't have it. That's something that's defaulted on my site because I saved the information. But all you really need is the first name, last name, primary cell phone. Okay, that is the information you need for a new parent. Then here below is where you would put in the first name, the middle name, the last name, and the relation if it's a son or daughter, and then special instructions. This would be like if the child has allergies to milk, you can write this here or something else. And basically this will help those that are serving them know, hey, don't give them milk. He has a milk allergy. So you can do this very simple. Let's say the child's name is, Marty Rocks. It's a son. And then you can add the name of the parent, Mary Bethel. Okay. And then you add their phone number here, 999-999-9999. And all you do is you add the parent, and then that will add the parent. And then it also shows you if there's no label connected, you're going to get this message. If there is, it automatically prints the label for the parent. So it's very, very important. Now, the next thing I want to show you is what if it's not the parent, but it's the guardian? Well, in that case, what you're going to do is check in as a guardian. You put the guardian's name, relation, and phone number, and then you put the name of the child here and their information, and you click on Add, and that will basically give you a label underneath the guardian's information. So let's say, for an example, the parent is in the system, but we haven't connected a child to their name. So here's where you would click on Existing. You would click here where it says Select Parent, and then just start typing in the name of the parent. Okay, this is my name here, and then you're going to see how all of my information pops up. Now, if you need to, you can't really change anything there because this is already in the system, but then you can come here and add, as many children as you need. So first you come and select a new parent if they're not in the system. Again, the password and email information is not required. If they are a guardian, you come here and you check guardian, enter the information that's required, and then the child's information here, just go one at a time and enter their information, and if there is any additional instructions for the teacher or for those that are taking care of your children. So that is how you add a parent and a child, and this will also generate a label automatically instead of you having to go back to the check-in screen, retrieve their information. So this takes care of that in one simple screen.